Right, this is the over at the Evergreen offices in Coquitlam, British Columbia, and is a ThyssenKrupp. Wish they've gone 5500, but this is nice. Green Map ES, that is awesome. Okay. That sounds odd. Whoa. Okay, 3. Let's see, Synergy. Nope, hydraulic. Jordan Lowe, I know you like ThyssenKrupps, so hope you enjoy this. Okay, rear door, nope. Door close one works, I like that. Huh? Oh, we're moving. Anyways, just a nice elevator. Wish they moved the pads so that this one's the same as that wall. Anyways, nice Map ES fixtures. I love these. Well, I'm gonna send it to Mesny if I can. I'll take a still picture of these awesome fixtures. So, 2. I got it for you. There it goes. That's it. I believe that guy got angry a bit.